Learning alphabets is fun. Let's get into the video. A for apple. A for airplane. A for ant. A for alligator. B for book. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for bees. C for car. C for corn. C for cake. C for calm. D for diamond. D for donut. D for dog. D for duck. E for earth. E for eraser. E for egg. E for elephant. F for frog. F for fish. F for flower. F for fox. G for goat. G for giraffe. G for goldfish. G for ghost. H for honey. H for heart. H for hat. H for house. I for iron. I for ink. I for ice cubes. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. J for jam. J for jar. J for juice. K for kite. K for koala. K for kiwi. K for king. L for lemon. L for lobster. L for lamb. L for lion. M for monkey. M for melon. M for milk. M for mango. N for numbers. N for nuts. N for nest. N for net. O for owl. O for octopus. O for orange. O for onion. P for pineapple. P for pig. P for panda. P for penguin. Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for quilt. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rain. R for rabbit. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. S for spider. S for snake. T for turtle. T for train. T for tree. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for unicycle. U for underwear. U for umpire. V for vulture. V for vase. V for west. V for van. W for whale. W for watch. W for watermelon. W for wallet. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo. Y for yoke. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. Z for zero. Z for zebra. Thanks for learning your ABCs with us. Keep practicing, champ.